Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Facebook Business Manager for ads. So you can head over and search right here for Facebook Business Manager and then open in here this Business Manager and Meta. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here this. So just head over and then get started or start now. Let's click on this right here and then click on this go to Meta Business Suite right there on this option. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here your Meta Business Suites. So let's head over and then just try to locate the ads for this one. So here's our Facebook Business Manager. So what we can do is we can here see the ads. Head over and click on that, and here you can see this. Click on this create ad, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here these options for ads. So first, choose your goal. It can be automated ads, get more messages, boost content, get website visitors, calls, promote your page, or get more leads. So for example, for this one, let's head over and then just choose the ones that actually do this, get more messages. Once you have selected in your goal, this will redirect you to the next step of the ad that you have, wherein you can just design your ad. So the goal is to get more messages, as you can see from in there. Now in here you can see this ad creative. So as you can see, this will add my actual Facebook page for his, and you can also use a post that you can choose from this case. Now in here you can also view some media. You can select the media that you want for this case. For example, for me, I'll head over and then choose this one right here and select that. So as you can see, this will actually change the ad preview. Once you have done that, you can actually scroll down, and here you can see this advantage plus creative, and you can also put in here a message template, and you can also put in here where you want people to message you. So in here you can see as well your budget, so you can actually improve that in here as well. So for example, you can set it to the maximum of 5,000, and it will also reflect the accounts or the reaches and replies that you will get with this budget right there. So changing your budget will also change the reach and replies that you will actually reach for this case. So just head over and then get the budget that you want for you. Once you have done that, click on this publish option right here and then just input your payment method in order to support this advertisement that you will post. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!